Namaste बच्चों. In previous class we had learned curve work. So first we will revise that. Then we move to our next letter. These are curve work letters. K, K, G, Gh, N. Our next letter is Ch. Ch se. Children, what is this? Yes, chutney. Ch se chutney. In English, we call it sauce. So children, you must have eaten varieties of chutney like pudina chutney, coconut chutney, groundnut chutney, etc. So repeat it. Ch se chutney. Ch se charkha. In English, we say spinning wheel. It is a device to spin threads from fibers. Children, can you tell me what is this? Yes, ch se chatai. Chatai, we say in English, mat. All of you must have it at your home. It is used for sitting or sleeping on the floor. So repeat, ch se chatai. Ch se chammach. In English, we say spoon. Children, as you all know, a spoon is a utensil. It is used to eat food. So repeat with me, ch se chammach. Children, what is this? Yes, ch se chooha. In English, we call it mouse or rat. But in Hindi, we say chooha. So repeat it, ch se chooha. Children, what is this? Yes, ch se chand. In English, we say moon. You must have seen it during night. It is one of the natural satellite that Earth has. So repeat with me, ch se chand. Children, now we'll repeat once again. Ch se chutney. Ch se charkha. Ch se chatai. च से चम्मच. च से चूहा. च से चांद. So, बच्चों, in this few examples it has given in your textbook. Few more ma'am has showed. So at least 2 to 3 examples you keep in your mind. Our next letter is ch. Ch se chhatri. In English, we call it umbrella. We use umbrella during the rainy season. It is also used when it is very hot outside. So repeat children, ch se chhatri. Ch se chalni. In English, we say sieve or strainer. It is used for filtering tea, coffee, etc. So children, repeat with me, ch se chalni. ch se chhadi. Chhadi, we say in English, stick. Repeat children, ch se chhadi. Children, what is this? Yes, ch se chach. In English, we call it buttermilk. Normally, we used to have buttermilk during summer season. It is made from curd. तो दोहराइए मेरे साथ, छ से छाछ. छ से छाया. In English, we call it shadow. Do you know, children, what is shadow? You must have observed that your shadow is formed when you stand in front of light. So दोहराइए मेरे साथ. छ से छाया. एक बार फिर से दोहराते हैं. छ से छतरी. छ से छलनी. छ से छड़ी. छ से छाछ. छ से छाया. बच्चों, हमारा नेक्स्ट लेटर है ज. ये क्या है? यस, जैसे जहाज. इंग्लिश में हम इसे कहते हैं शिप. तो दोहराइए मेरे साथ. ज से जहाज. Children, what is this? You must have eaten this, right? Yes, j से जलेबी. In Hindi and English, both we say jalebi. It is one type of sweet. ज से jug. In Hindi and English, both we say jug. It is used to store liquid item like water, juice, etc. So children, repeat with me. ज से jug. बच्चों, यह क्या है? यस, ज से जेब. इसे इंग्लिश में हम क्या कहते हैं? पॉकेट. तो मेरे साथ दोहराइए. ज से जेब. ज से जीभ. इंग्लिश में हम क्या कहते हैं बच्चों? टंग. टंग इज ए one of sensory organ of our body. We taste with our tongue. तो दोहराइए मेरे साथ. ज से जीभ. ज से what is this, children? Yes, jacket. In Hindi and English, both we say jacket. We wear jacket when weather is cold. So repeat with me. ज से jacket. एक बार फिर से दोहराते हैं. ज से जहाज. ज से जलेबी. ज से जग. ज से जेब. ज से जीभ. ज से jacket. Our next letter is jha. Children, what is this? Yes, this is our national flag. We say in Hindi, jha se jhanda. In English, we call it flag. Children, do you know every country has their own flag? So repeat with me. Jha se jhanda. Pronounce it correctly. झ से झंडा. झ से झरना. इन इंग्लिश वी से waterfall. दोहराइए बच्चों. झ से झरना. बच्चों, ये क्या है? ये तो आपको पता ही होगा. यस, झ से झूला. In English, we say swing. Have you gone to park, children? You must have seen and enjoyed swinging on it, right? So repeat with me. झ से झूला. झ से झाड़ू. इंग्लिश में हम इसे कहते हैं broom. It is used for cleaning. तो दोहराइए मेरे साथ. झ से झाड़ू. यह क्या है बच्चों? Yes, bag. झ से झोला. इंग्लिश में हम इसे बैग कहते हैं, पर हिंदी में हम झोला या फिर इसे थैला कहते हैं. तो दोहराइए मेरे साथ. झ से झोला. झ से झुमका. In English, we call it earring. It is a one type of jewelry. It's called earring in English. So repeat children. झ से झुमका. आइए एक बार फिर से दोहराते हैं. झ से झंडा. झ से झरना. झ से झूला. झ से झाड़ू. झ से झोला. झ से झुमका. Our next letter is न्य. न्य से मंजन. In English, we call it tooth powder. तो दोहराइए बच्चों. न्य से मंजन. Children, as you can see in textbook, just you have to trace on the letters. So it's easy to write. Now I'll teach you how to write in double line note. Children, now we'll start writing ch varg letters. Okay? See how to write letter ch. In center, first you have to draw one small slipping line. Then at that point, we have to form a curve like this. See, should not touch the down line. Then from top to down, we have to draw one standing line by touching the curve. Then top one slipping line. This is the letter ch. Ch se charkha. Once again we'll write slipping line, curve, standing line, slipping line. Slipping line, at that point one curve, standing line by touching the curve, slipping line. Once again we'll write. Say and write children. Ch. Ch se charkha. Ch se charkha. Okay. Now we'll write our next letter. What is the next letter? Ch. Ch se chhatri. So how to write? See here. This letter we want to start from line. Little bit down to the line. Okay. First you have to write one curve like small c. Then one more curve. Second curve should touch the down line. Then take it the second curve up and form a circle inside like this. Top of that one small standing line, slipping line. This is the letter ch. What is this? Ch. Ch se chhatri. Once again we'll write curve. One more curve. Take it up. Inside circle, standing line, slipping line. Ch. Say and write children. Ch. Ch se chhatri. Ch. So what is our next letter children? J. J se jahaj. It's very easy to write. See how to write? In center, first we have to draw one small slipping line. Then at the starting point, we have to form a curve and take it up. See, this curve should not touch down line and not touch top line. Then by touching this slipping line, we have to draw one standing line from top to down. This is the letter J. J se jahaj. Once again we'll write slipping line. From starting point, we have to form a curve, standing line, slipping line. J. J se jahaj. Slipping line, curve, standing line, sleeping line. Say and write, children. ज से जहाज, ज से जहाज. So children, what is our next letter? Ch, ch, j. Our next letter is jh. Jh se jhanda. Now we'll see how to write. See, one small standing line. C, inverse C, touch the down line. Cross and go down like E se imli. Then in center, draw one slipping line. Small slipping line. Standing line by touching the slipping line, and then top one slipping line. This is the letter Jh. Pronounce it Jh. Jh se jhanda. Once again we'll write standing line, C, inverse C, cross and go down, slipping line, standing line, slipping line. Jh. Say and write. Jh se jhanda. Jh se झरना. झ. J. So children, what is our next letter in Ch word? Ch, Ch, J, Jh, Nya. How to write Nya? See, first we have to write one inverse curve like this, and second part should take little up like this. See, then in center one slipping line, by touching that one standing line. This is the letter Nya. Nya se manjan. Nya se manjan. Once again we'll write. Nya. Nya. Say and write. Nya se मंजन. बच्चों, ठीक इसी तरह से सारे लेटर्स को रफ नोट में प्रैक्टिस करिएगा. अब हम एक बार फिर से च वर्ग को उसके सही उच्चारण के साथ दोहराएंगे. च, छ, ज, झ, न्य. तो बच्चों, आज की कक्षा मैं यहीं पे समाप्त करती हूँ. धन्यवाद.